Well, my goal, the peace of mind with the technology, that definitely helps me. It does.
This is for if there's an injury or of something of that sort that we need to call emergency help, then we push that red button.
There are all kinds of things going on. I heard everything is okay. We're just testing. All right. Thank you, Amy.
This program is designed to empower individuals through assistive technology devices to live more independently, to reduce the need for hands-on support from a professional, while still ensuring that their immediate needs are met.
Before the detection device was installed, we had a major flood, which damaged our floors.
So the switch on the sink was left on, and I didn't know,
He thought he had turned it off,
and he left.
There's a warning. If there's a flood or a leak or anything like that, it will also be connected to my phone at a later time. But in the back of that, there's an alarm system that will alert us. Not only do we need deaf accessibility in the community, we need it in our own homes as well. Where they can function, feel safe is important. I want to be independent and have to, not have to rely on staff as much. And I'm hoping that will go, the hours will go down in time.
I want to say deaf people can do anything. I don't like the word can't. There is no can't.